How to make money on YouTube, turning articles into videos for free. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money on YouTube by turning articles into videos for free. This process is really simple and can be done in minutes, so keep on watching until the end. Welcome to the Peak Performance channel, the place where you come to be inspired to create a more prosperous future. If you've always dreamed of making money through YouTube, but didn't know where to start or what topic to choose, then this video is perfect for you. I'll show you how easy it is to turn articles into videos and make money in less than 10 minutes. You don't have to write the content or even make the videos yourself, and the best part is, you don't need to show your face on camera. It's possible by using 3 different websites that are accessible to everyone. It's legit and done by many famous YouTubers, so if you want to learn how, then stay tuned because this one's gonna be good. The first step is to select a niche for your YouTube channel. Picking a niche is one of the most important things you can do when starting out on YouTube. Most people make the mistake of choosing a popular topic that has hundreds or even thousands of other channels dedicated to it. Instead, pick something more unique and specific that doesn't have as much competition. That way, you'll be able to dominate YouTube faster and start making money quicker. You could target a specific type of person or group of people. For example, you can choose to make wellness videos specifically for teenagers. This would be considered niching down, and a topic like how to stay focused for teenagers could be a great video idea for your channel. Another niche that this method would work really well for is the cooking niche. Now, most of you are probably thinking, I don't know how to cook. But wait, relax. You don't need to know how to cook. In this niche, it can be as simple as providing people with information about the benefits of different foods. That is something you can do by simply going on Google and typing things like benefit plus any food you choose. For example, we're going to say the benefit of eating an avocado. As you can see, there are different article options that you can use to create your video. Now I'll show you how to create this video as easily as possible, and how to pick a keyword with low competition so you don't waste your time. If you go on YouTube and type benefit of avocado into the search bar, you'll see that there are different channels making videos about this topic. These creators are getting a lot of views because they're providing valuable information in a simple format. And if you notice, most of the videos on the first page are old, which means there's an opportunity here for you to get in on this trend. The reason I say this is because YouTube values fresh content. They would rather rank new videos that are good than ranked old videos. So, to recap, create your channel and find a niche or sub-niche that you want to produce videos about. Here's a quick reminder before we continue. Make sure you smash that like button and hit the subscribe and notification button if you haven't already done so that YouTube sends you more of these kinds of videos and it helps our channel. Now let's get back to the video. The second step is to create a video by using a website called Pictory. If you go to the website, you can explore all the different features and options that are available on their site. They make high-quality visuals that are important to viewers because it makes the video more enjoyable to watch. You can also use its features for videos, Instagram videos, and even TikToks. If you take a look, you'll see that you can use the script to create videos as well as articles to create videos. And in this video, we'll be using the article to video option. The only drawback to the website is that, like any other free website out there, it comes with a watermark. In my opinion, this looks unprofessional and it's not good for your channel. If you upload videos with watermarks, it can slow down the chance of your channel going viral. If you click on the price section, you can see that this website is only $29 a month. If you're really serious about YouTube, I suggest checking it out and giving it a try. After you log in, you'll be brought to this page. I now want you to go back to your article and copy the URL. Once you've done that, come back to Pictory and paste the URL into the section below. After that, click Proceed. This website will show you the original article on the left side and the key points of the article on the right side. It's useful for extracting important information from articles quickly. To extract the information yourself, click on any of the words and add them to your video script on the right. You can also click X to delete any word from your script. Now that you've finished writing your article, you don't want to simply copy someone else's work without making any changes. You want to make sure that your content is unique and will not cause any problems. To do this, you'll need to change it around so that it's more uniquely yours. If you dislike writing but still want to produce quality content, Quillbot is the software for you. Quillbot is an AI software that will turn any article into a brand new script. To do this, all you have to do is copy your original article and paste it into the software. Then click Paraphrase, and the newly generated script will appear on the right side. Now that you're done, go back to Pictory and click Next to continue. Now you're going to choose the 16:9 landscape option. After that, it's going to create these videos for you literally. It'll only take you a few minutes to create such a high quality video. If you click on any of the text on the right, it'll show you the allocated video for that text. To change the video, go to the left side and click on Visual Search. Search anything you want and then click on it to change the visual. Font size, word choice, and colors can all be changed here. Adding audio is easy. Just click on the left side and then select Audio. The website is amazing because they offer royalty-free music that can be used. You might not know this, but background music can have a big impact on your video. If your background music is uninteresting, people will fall asleep, which is a mistake. Now in the voiceover section, you can either use their AI voice option to add to your video. But another option is a website called Murf. It's the best AI text-to-speech software I've seen, and you can monetize those videos easily without any issues. Sign up for a free account to get started. But we will be using the artificial intelligence voice provided by Pictory for this video. Now, what I need you to do is click on the audio file, then click on VoiceOver. Pick any voice and apply it to your video. This will automatically add the selected voice throughout your video. After that, you can hit preview now to see how the video looks and sounds.
Avocado.
Now in our last step, I'm going to show you how to upload your video and optimize it correctly to get lots of views on YouTube. Once you've created a video, you can upload it onto YouTube by clicking the plus sign there. You need to create an SEO-friendly description for your video. This means adding relevant keywords to your video description. This keyword must be relevant to your video content in order to improve its ranking. For example, if you search benefit of avocado on YouTube and click on this video here, you will see that they're using different keywords like avocado, healthy, benefit, and also if you look on the right side, you'll see that there's a bunch of keywords in the tag section. The reason they do this is because it has something people are searching for when they go on YouTube. For example, if we search for benefit of avocado like we did earlier, it's going to show up with videos that target those keywords. Keep in mind that if people do find your video and they don't click on it, or even if they click on it and watch only a little bit, YouTube will begin to push you down in the search results, telling YouTube that your video is not of good quality. So the key is having good content. In order to do this, simply copy-paste the title of your video into Google and type YouTube keyword next to it. This should give you the keywords extracted from the video. Now, I want you to write a good description. If you don't know how to do it, then look at your competition's video and see how they did theirs. After that, go to your tag session and paste it in there. After you finish all that, your video will be ready to go. If you post often on high-quality videos, YouTube will start to promote you, which will help you grow faster. Overall, the key to being successful on YouTube is patience and consistency. I hope you found this lesson helpful, and please don't hesitate to try the websites we showed. With just a few clicks, you could be well on your way to becoming a YouTube superstar. Thank you for being all ears throughout the entire video. To create is effort, to copy is genius, said Albert Einstein. If you want to expand your income by building an online income, feel free to contact me so we'll get things moving right away. Remember, if you want to change your life, let's make a change together. You need to make a change.